You could have some of my drink. Here you go. So here we are at Beaver Island. This is kind of the process of what I do every morning. Beaver Island here. Kind of check where we're at, in case you forget. You can see all the red dots and lines and buoys. It's a pretty busy area here. Sort of difficult. I mean, as far as just cruising through, it's not really possible. You can see a tanker ship there, and that's kind of the area we have to focus on. You can see the dotted lines are all shipping channels, or recommended ship channels. Kind of a congestion area where if you're a tanker, you pretty much pick any direction and you're already on a shipping channel, but with the caveat that everyone has to go through this channel here. It goes between the reefs and shoals and all that crap. So we're down here, coming out of Beaver Island. I'll kind of tend to zoom in, mostly on my phone, but zoom in and look for anything that's kind of in our route. That Hog Island Reef is kind of the thing we have to go around before we can turn up to the channel. So I don't really set a whole route, but I'll just say we kind of want to get in this general area. Go to there. Autopilot, steer to navigation, sure, and that's it. Just kind of sit back for a while. Hopefully there's some wind out there today. There's supposed to be, but no, we should head on that course. Tells us when we'll be there. Estimated. Now I take a nap or do dishes and laundry. Another cool thing I'm pretty amazed at is this Vesper Ep8. Just got to Class B AIS transponder, but it really goes out pretty far. I mean, it's crazy. The picks up the buoys and ships, pleasure craft, sailboats, anything transmitting, but I mean, look how far it goes out. We got, I mean, we're seeing buoys out to 50 miles right now. Yeah, that's 16 hours away still. Gives you the information. It's just a simple buoy there, but we can look at this ship going under the bridge. Burns Harbor. He's usually, I thought he was from out of Duluth, or it sounds familiar. Cargo ship. I want to see how long it is, but wait, where is it? Length is 0.18 nautical miles. I don't know what that means. This must be a 1,000-foot ship, big one. I think the Burns Harbor's the I don't know, look it up. Just making it up now. I thought maybe it was a pretty big one. So yeah, this one going through the channel up there. Algoma Buffalo, 630 feet. So those are the ones to look out for, right? There's the ferries and stuff back at Beaver Island. So yeah, pretty cool. She's pretty far out. That will be nice. Well, this was Beaver Island. Didn't film too much, but heading out in the morning. Take a look. Going through Gray's Reef right now. I'll show you that. It's pretty gray. Cormorants. Not sure if that will show up. Yeah.
Corner dive down on the square where the windows hang with neon flare. Regular shoot horse and pool while the barmaid wishes the place half full. She works the jar with a discount flirt, a faded Houston Oilers shirt, while a no crow sings. Down on the stage, thumbing the chords on a crinkle page, he plays a Zevon tune beneath a Gulf moon. Take a walk down along the wall, you go right on past the carnival. Hand in hand with the keeper kind, the kind that ties to the ties that bind. Don't care for the carny man or the fortune teller who reads your hand. You just beeline for a bungalow where the curtains flutter, the candles glow, and the heart of June beneath the Gulf moon. And here I'm on a midnight porch, looking up at a butane torch that hangs behind a black expanse where the stars flicker and planets dance. And it's probably time I pack it in with a glass half full of Jameson. Well, I was born to cruise, I might as well beneath the Gulf moon. Down by the jetty near the Bellanese Pier, the curmudgeons drink their yellow belly beer, and they bitch about the price of gas and the fish that they can't seem to catch. They blame it on the islands way down south from the Bayou Marsh and the Delta mouth, where choppers roll and the tankers come in a midnight daze for the oil drum. They can't leave too soon beneath the Gulf moon.